I got those from a place at work.
Huh?
Got those from the place at work.
You did?
Yeah.
Good.
Here.
Is it a cigar? What is it?
It's a cigar.
It's not a cigar.
Cigarette cigar.
No, it's a cigarette.
It's a different brand of a cigarette.
It's a cigarette.
Yeah.
It's a cigarette. It's gotta be.
This is a cigarette, yeah.
Good. Basically, it is.
It is. It was in the cigarette section. They didn't have it in the cigar section, no.
Why don't you just get Beckham Marble Reds
I'm trying to do that.
at your store?
Yeah.
No one else to grab, not even him. Not so good.
To wait till they come in. The cigarette distributor is going to come in and deliver them.
What?
The cigarette distributor that they have at our store is going to deliver them for the smoke shop. They're going to go to Market Basket.
Up next, her. Go ahead.
Yeah, we don't want to go to Market Basket and pick them up because it costs a little more money, so they're going to have the distributor come today, if he can make it.
I can't.
If he can make it, that is, the distributor, but if not, we'll go to Market Basket and get them. The store will, not me.
No.
Because they usually buy like 60 cartons there. You know, but they sell a lot of them.
No update right now, Shishay. Can you get off your time?